guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is all about soap making. I'm going to teach you guys how to make your own soap at home. But first, you will need your base. You can either choose from oat soap, goat milk soap, or shea butter soap. After you select that, I'm going to then go ahead with Dead Sea salt, which contains a lot of minerals. It helps cleanse our skin, gives it that hydration that your skin needs, helps exfoliate, and of course fight acne. I'll make sure to put all the measurements in the description so that way you guys can follow along. Now, the next step is to add essential oil. We already know how good vitamin E oil is to our skin, so I went ahead with vitamin E oil. This is the time as well that you can add other essential oils of your choice. Now, after adding them, you want to take your time in mixing them. I believe you mix them for about 10 seconds, then we go to the next step. Now, this step is actually optional, right? You don't have to use the activated charcoal, but let's talk about some of the benefits. It deeply cleanses your pores, controls oil, helps treat acne, exfoliates gently, soothes the skin irritation, brightens skin appearance. So these are some of the benefits. Now, after I add the desired amount, I am then going to mix them all together. Now, the reason I am stating the benefits of this ingredient is that next time when you go to buy face soap, you know exactly what each ingredient does, and you can go ahead and buy the right one to tackle the particular problem that you have. Now we're going to go ahead and pour in the melted base. This one, I believe, was oat soap. So when we turn it, you have to immediately stir it, right? This part is a little tricky. You want to stir it for about 10 to 20 seconds. Then you pour it into your baker and let it sit. So we are letting it sit because it needs to harden, right? You let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes and then it will harden. This is what mine look like. I'll be showing you guys. This is the finished product. It looks really good. Now going on to the next soap. For this particular one, I decided to use 3 other essential oils in addition to vitamin E oil. I use rosemary oil, cloves, and 1 other essential oil. After that, I went ahead with my base oil, which was shea butter. We all know that shea butter is good for our skin. The same thing, you pour it in. You could choose to add some herbs, whatever you want, but I didn't add any of that. After I poured the shea butter base in, I decided to stir it, right? You guys can see that this one contains more oil than the first one. After stirring it, I decided to add dye to it just to change up the color instead of leaving it to be white. So after adding my dye, this part is optional. You don't have to add dye if you don't want to. After you add your dye, you want to make sure that you mix it so that the consistency is the same all across the board. After mixing it very well to your liking, then we are going to pour it into the baker and leave it for 5 to 10 minutes to harden. This brings me to the end of today's video. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I will see you in my next video. Bye.